How to change the nationality on United Airlines. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to change the nationality you have set up in the United Airlines page, then you have come to the right place. First and foremost, open any of your preferred browser and go to United Airlines. After that, log in into your account. And once logged in into your account, tap on the profile which is available usually on the top right corner. Once you tap on your profile, you will see different options. From there, tap on View My United. Clicking on View My United button should take you to another page from where you have to go to your profile. Under Profile, tick on or click on About Me. Now, from the nationality list, you have to click on the drop down menu and select the nationality you would like to switch to. Then click on Save button, and there you go. You have successfully changed the nationality on United Airlines. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And if you'd like to know anything more, you can drop on the comment section.